Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. Forget the crypto gurus promising a Lamborghini. And the dropshipping experts who only make money by selling you courses. They promise you the world and deliver a whole lot of nothing. The truth is, building real life-changing wealth in 2025 isn't about some hidden secret. It's about a few core principles that financial giants like Alex Hormozi, Ramit Sethi, and Codie Sanchez use every single day. In this video, we'll break those principles down into 7 proven money-making hacks you can use to start building wealth this year. We're talking about strategies that create real assets and sustainable cash flow. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to get started. In fact, this is how you become one. So stick with us, because hack number 7 is the one that ties everything together. It's the foundation that makes all the others work. Section 1. Hack number 1. Stop building, start buying. Alright? Hack number 1 is a huge mindset shift, and it comes straight from investors like Codie Sanchez. Stop trying to build a business from scratch. Start buying one instead. Look, most of us are taught to think of starting a business as this heroic, from the ground up struggle. We romanticize the garage startup, but what's the actual reality? Most startups fail. You spend years bleeding cash, working 80-hour weeks, and fighting for every single customer, with a high chance of it all ending in nothing. It's a massive gamble. The solution is to flip the script. Instead of starting from zero, buy a business that's already working. And I'm not talking about some flashy tech company. I'm talking about boring businesses. Think laundromats, car washes, plumbing services, or local landscaping companies. These businesses are often overlooked, but they have a proven track record, existing customers, and most importantly, immediate cash flow. Codie Sanchez calls this the Lindy effect. A business that's been around for 10 years is likely to be around for another 10. You're buying a predictable, cash-flowing asset. You can even use financing to acquire it, meaning you don't need all the cash up front, and then your job is just to optimize and grow it. This isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about buying the car while it's already rolling and just giving it a tune-up. It is one of the surest paths to wealth in 2025 because you're buying real revenue, not just an idea. Section 2. Hack number 2. Package your brain into a digital asset. Hack number 2 is for anyone out there who has a skill, passion, or some expertise in a specific area. This one is a favorite of Ramit Sethi, and it's all about creating and selling digital products. Here's the problem so many people face. Maybe you're a great writer, a fitness coach, a graphic designer, or you're amazing at organizing closets. You can trade your time for money by taking on clients, but you will always hit a ceiling. There are only 24 hours in a day. You get stuck in that time for money trap, where the only way to earn more is to work more, which just leads to burnout. The solution is to package your knowledge into a product you can sell over and over again without doing any extra work. This could be an ebook, an online course, a set of templates, a paid newsletter, or a membership community. You put in the work once, and that single asset can generate passive income for years. Think about it. An online course on how to meal prep for a busy week takes time to create upfront, but you can sell it to 10 people, 100 people, or 10,000 people. The key, as Ramit always says, is to get specific. Don't launch a generic fitness course. Launch a course on postnatal fitness for new moms or strength training for runners over 40. Find a niche audience, truly understand their problems, and sell them the exact solution. Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad make this incredibly simple. Your brain is your most valuable asset. It's time to turn it into a product that pays you while you sleep. Section 3. Hack number 3. Embrace boring investing that actually works. Hack number 3 is easily the least sexy but most powerful wealth-building tool in history. This comes from the wisdom of Morgan Housel, author of The Psychology of Money. It's this: systematically invest in low-cost index funds and then do nothing. The problem is, the modern investing world is designed to feel like a chaotic casino. You re-hit with stories of people getting rich overnight on a meme stock or some new crypto coin. Creates this massive FOMO, the fear of missing out. You feel pressured to be a stock-picking genius, to time the market perfectly, and to chase the hottest new thing. This usually leads to two outcomes. You either gamble and lose, or you get so paralyzed by fear that you don't invest at all. The solution is almost laughably simple. Automate your investments into a broad market, low-cost index fund, like one that tracks the S&P 500. That's it. When you do this, you instantly own a tiny piece of the 500 largest companies in America. You're not betting on one horse, you're betting on the entire race. Morgan Housel's core idea is that successful investing has less to do with what you know and way more to do with how you act. The magic isn't in picking the perfect stock, it's in patience, in consistency, and letting compound interest do the heavy lifting for decades. Your goal isn't to get the highest possible returns this year. It's to get pretty good returns that you can keep getting for the longest period of time. Set up an automatic transfer to your investment account every month, and then go live your life. Don't check it every day. Don't panic when the market dips. Just let it work. This is how real wealth is built, not with a bang, but with a slow, steady, and boring consistency. All right, quick pause. If you're getting value from this, and these ideas are starting to click, do me a quick favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It's a small thing for you, but it tells the YouTube algorithm that you want more no-nonsense financial content like this, and it makes sure you won't miss what's coming next. Thanks now. Let's get back to it. Section 4. Hack number 4. Sell to the rich. Hack number 4 comes from the mind of business builder Alex Hormozi, and it's a game changer. The hack is to stop trying to sell to everybody and instead focus on selling high-value services to a wealthy audience. Here's a problem a ton of creators and entrepreneurs run into. They build a huge audience, millions of views, hundreds of thousands of followers, but they're still broke. They're making pennies from ad revenue or selling low-priced merch. They are working themselves to the bone to serve a mass market, but have almost no profit to show for it. The solution, as Hormozi teaches, is to flip the model. Instead of selling a $10 product to 10,000 people, how can you sell a $10,000 product to just 10 people? Wealthy customers aren't just willing to pay more. They are actively looking for premium solutions that save them time or give them a better result. This could be a high-end coaching program, a done-for-you service, or an exclusive mastermind group. For example, instead of that $20 fitness ebook, you could offer a $5,000 personalized, one-on-one transformation package. Your free content on YouTube or social media becomes your marketing. It proves you know what you're talking about and attracts the right kind of client who is happy to pay for a premium result. It's a powerful shift from chasing volume to delivering value. You'll need fewer clients. You can provide a world-class service. Your business becomes infinitely more profitable and way less stressful. Section 5. Hack number 5. Become a trusted connector with affiliate marketing. Hack number 5 is a powerful strategy for building a modern career. A favorite of business professor Scott Galloway. It's leveraging affiliate marketing the right way. The problem for so many aspiring entrepreneurs is just the sheer overwhelm of it all. You think you need a world-changing product, a complicated service, a warehouse full of inventory, and all of that stops you before you even start. You get stuck in analysis paralysis. Forget about creating your own product, at least for now. Instead, just get paid to recommend the products and services you already use, love, and trust. That's all affiliate marketing is. If you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or even just an engaged social media following, you can partner with brands you believe in. When someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. But here's the most important part. This only works if you are 100% authentic. Don't just go promoting anything with a high payout. Promote the tools, software, and services that have genuinely helped you. If you're a photographer, be an affiliate for the camera gear you actually use every day. If you run a finance channel, partner with the brokerage you personally invest with. Your audience trusts your taste. When you recommend something you truly believe in, it stops being a sales pitch and becomes a valuable recommendation. This is how you build trust, which is your most important asset, and create an income stream based on your authentic curation.
Action 6.
Hack number 6. Own the ground beneath your feet. Hack number 6 is one of the oldest and most reliable wealth-building strategies on the planet, championed by macro investor Raoul Pal. Own cash-flowing real estate. The problem is, most people are on the wrong side of the real estate equation. They spend decades paying rent, which is really just paying off someone else's mortgage and building their wealth. They feel like owning property is some exclusive club for the rich, and they're stuck on the outside looking in as prices just keep climbing. The solution is to find a way to get in the game and own an asset that both pays you every month and grows in value over time. And no, this doesn't mean you have to buy a mansion. You can start small. A really popular strategy is house hacking, where you buy a multi-unit property. It's like a duplex. Live in one unit and rent out the other one. The rent from your tenant covers most, or maybe even all, of your mortgage. You are essentially living for free while building equity. The solution, another way in, is through short-term rentals. Becoming an Airbnb host, even if it's just with a spare room in your home, can bring in serious cash flow. The key is to stop seeing property as just a place to live and start seeing it as a business and asset that should be generating income. Whether it's a long-term rental or a short-term one, if you are building wealth from two sides at once, the monthly cash flow and the long-term appreciation of the property itself, it's a cornerstone of wealth for a reason. Section 7. Hack number 7. Master the game between your ears. We've made it to the final and most important hack. This isn't a tactic or a side hustle. This is the operating system that makes everything else actually work. This is the core message from Jaspreet Singh of Minority Mindset. You have to master your financial psychology. Here's the hard truth. You can have the best strategies in the world. You can buy a business, invest in index funds, build a digital product. But if your mindset is wrong, you will find a way to sabotage your own success. You get a little extra money and immediately spend it on a fancy car to impress people who don't care about you. The stock market has a bad week, and you panic sell everything at the absolute bottom. You scroll Instagram, compare your journey to someone else's curated highlight reel, and feel like a failure. These are the emotional reactions that keep people poor. The solution is realizing that wealth isn't built with spreadsheets. It's built with discipline, patience, and emotional control. This is the core of Jaspreet Singh's Minority Mindset philosophy. It's about defining what enough actually means to you, so you can finally get off the hamster wheel of always wanting more. It's understanding, as Jaspreet says, that you have to think different from the majority. Real wealth is what you don't see. It's the money not spent on the flashy car. It's the investments left alone to compound. It's the freedom to control your own time. This means breaking away from the herd mentality and being okay with being bored while your investments quietly grow. It means having the humility to know you do and have all the answers, and the patience to stick with your plan for the long run. Without this minority mindset, the other 6 hacks are just leaky buckets. Master your own behavior, and you will master your finances. So there you have it, the 7 proven money-making hacks for 2025. As a quick recap, 1. Stop building from scratch and buy an existing cash-flowing business. 2. Package your brain into a digital product. 3. Embrace boring, long-term index fund investing. 4. Stop selling to the masses and sell high-value solutions to the rich. 5. Use affiliate marketing to monetize your honest recommendations. 6. Get in the real estate game. And 7. Master your own psychology, because it's the foundation for everything. The common thread through all of these is that you're building or buying assets, things that work for you so you don't have to. This isn't about getting lucky. It's about making smart choices and building systems that generate wealth over time. You have the power to take control of your financial future, starting right now. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to our channel and get our weekly newsletter. You won't want to miss our next video above. Thanks for watching.